Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo Find X3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to fix your screen if it's not respond. So your screen is not respond because of two reasons. The first reason is because you have the physical damage of your screen. So in this situation, you just need to get your device to the customer service. But sometimes our color OS system is just freezing, and this way, in this situation, we just need to perform the force restart of our device. To force restart the color OS, you need to press and hold power and volume up buttons together during the 10 seconds. So 10 or 15 or something about it. Then your screen will be disabled. You need to hold it until you will see the Oppo logo. Then you will see. Then when you will see Oppo logo, you need to release the both buttons. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.